Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Petty Cache Management Odoo module developed by Openinside. Petty cache management is a record-keeping process that tracks businesses' use of petty cache to handle small expenses that arise throughout daily operations. The Petty Cache Management module helps management track their expenses when it comes to petty cache. This module is an easy-to-use tool that comes in handy to track expenses and streamlines the petty cache management process to a great extent. Using this module frees management from paper chasing and bean counting. Let's get started with our demo. Navigate to the Accounting module. Click on the Configuration menu. Select Journals from the submenu. Step 1. Configure the cache journal. Choose any cache journal from the list. Go to the Petty Cache tab. Select a petty cache holder, for example, Administrator. Enter the petty cache limit, for example 5,000. Choose the Purchase journal for recording purchase receipts. Expense journal. Step 2. Set up a new cache register. Return to the Accounting menu. Select Cache Registers. And click on New. Enter a reference name for the petty cache, for example, August Petty Cache. Select the cache journal you configured earlier. Set the statement date to today's date. Click on the Refill button to refill the petty cache. The amount will be pulled from the petty cache limit set in the configuration. Choose the bank or cache journal from which the petty cache will be refilled. Once set, click Validate to finalize the refill. The refill line will appear in the transactions list, ready for reconciliation. Step 3. Add transactions. Click on the Receipts Smart button. Then click New. Select the vendor and input the date. Add a line. Select the product. And enter the amount. For example, 1,000. Now confirm the receipt. The transaction will be automatically added to the transactions list. To add another receipt, repeat the process. Once the second receipt is confirmed, we will go ahead to the next step. Step 4. Reconcile and finalize. Reconcile the transactions as needed. If required, click on Refill to check the amount needed to reach the petty cache limit. And validate cache refill. Then, reconcile the refill record. Compute the ending balance. Click Validate to close the petty cache record. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our tutorial on the Petty Cache Management module developed by Openinside. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how this tool operates within the Odoo system. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of Openinside's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.
We know what we do